Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can refresh your videos in CapCut PC. So just going to select your video and I have been added. So how to refresh it's very simple. Just click or tap on a video and select this icon which is refresh. Just click and just waiting for a processing. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so you can see the original and this is the result. Okay, it's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.